Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the scale effect when minimizing window on Mac. So macOS offers two different animation when minimizing a window. While the Genie effect create a covered animation, but the scale effect provide a much more simpler and faster transition. Instead of folding the window into dock, the window smoothly sticks straight down to the dock icon, and many users prefer this effect because it feels cleaner and strictly quicker during everyday use. So if you would like to switch to scale effect, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here click on the drop down menu right to minimize window animation, and from here you can choose scale effect, and after choosing that you can check by minimizing the window, and you will now see the window shrink directly into the dock using scale animation. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.